SmartCulture Mathematics.
In this video, we will take a look at highest common factor and lowest common multiple. Let's take a look at an example of this. If we have smaller numbers, we can write out a list of factors and multiples to find the highest common factor or the lowest common multiple. Here they ask us to find the HCF and LCM of 24 and 18. Write the factors of 24. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The factors of 18 would include 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Do you see a number which is on both lists? I see a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 6. But you always pick the number that is the highest. Therefore, you will see that the HCF is 6, since 6 appears on both lists and it is the number which is highest among both of them. Let's write down the multiples of 24. 24, 48, 72, and so on. Multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, and so on. Can you spot a number on both lists? There is a 72 of 24 and there is a 72 of 18. This is the lowest common multiple. The first multiple you reached that is on both lists is considered to be the lowest common multiple. Let's take a look at prime factors and using this to find the HCF and the LCM. Use prime factors to find the HCF and LCM of 36 and 68. If they ask us to do this, we need to create a tree or a ladder diagram to break up the numbers into prime factors. I'm going to use a ladder diagram. 36 can be divided by 2 to give us 18. 18 can be divided by 2 to give us 9. 9 can be divided by 3 to give us 3, and 3 can be divided by 3. And those are our prime factors. 68 can be divided by 2 to give us 34, which can be divided by 2 to give us 17. And the only number that can divide into 17 is 17. And those are our prime factors. Now let's write down each pair of prime factors. For 36, it is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. For 68, it is 2 times 2 times 17. Now, in the next step, we need to circle any pairs of numbers. In 36, there is a 2, and in 68, there is a 2 as well. Circle that pair. There is another 2 in 36 that is also common among 68, so circle that pair. Now, when we find the HCF, we use the pairs only. We have a purple pair and we have a blue pair, so we use one number from each. We use 1, 2 from the purple circle and we use 1, 2 from the blue circle and we times them together, giving us an HCF of 4. For the LCM, we're going to use the pairs and all the leftover factors. Once again, we are going to use the 2 from the purple circle, the 2 from the blue circle, and then you will see there is a 3, a 3, and a 17 that has not been circled. You need to include these as well. Then we multiply all these numbers together to get a common LCM, and this is 612.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.